Welcome to my channel, it's NoyTebs here. So again guys, kung bago lang kayo dito sa aking channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video upload dito sa What's in the Box. Let's get started! There you go! So again guys, I have here a c-pap. What is c-pap is? It's a continuous positive airway pressure. And again, I got this one here guys, and it's brand new. And I got this one from Rana Sleep Apnea here in Calgary. And again, we're gonna check this one out. So, okay. Again guys, this c-pap guys, it helps a lot. And what it does is sleep apnea is a serious sleep disorder within a person. Breathing is interrupted during sleep. What's the effect? And it will be effect to anyone. It's for the kids and any ages. And also, what's the cost on that one? It's the overweight plus the over 40 years old, you gonna have it that way. No. And then same thing if you have a large tongue and a large tonsillitis and also a large neck size. So again, that's the cost of having a sleep apnea. $2,390. Ayun. So this is a little bit expensive guys, but again, so today we are going to do unboxing. Ta-da! Wow, beautiful case. Oh, wristmade. There you go. So it's beautiful case actually. Well, again, what you pay is what you get. So you can go for travel with your machine, and so far, yeah, so far so good. And they have a zipper on the front, and you can put some other supply here if you like. And okay, we're gonna try to we're gonna check this one out guys. Whew. There you go. So again, they have here a manual. We have here a manual. We have the manual here. They have some plastic bag here. Nice, so neat. They have some extra. Oh, it's not the plastic bag, but it's it comes with a filter. We have the filter in that one here, and I'm gonna use that one, and we'll see how it works that way. And again, they have a start to sleep. They have the My Air. You can check it on your computer. You can check it on your phone. You can check it in your iPad. So again, you can monitor day by day, monitoring on your sleep, how it works. And here's the manual, how it's set up. And they have here a manual. Again, lots of reading here, but I think it's very simple to operate. There you go. So, and they have this climate line air. It's like a heated pipe, so that you know the moisture or something, at least it won't it will dry on the pipe. Nice, very nice, beautiful. So they have here this one here is the power cord, and then it comes with the power supply. They have a power supply here. Then they have here the reservoir where you put it in your water, because they have you have to put water on every time you use this one. Before you go sleep, you have to put water in that one. And they have a lines for the distilled water. Only distilled water you're going to put on this reservoir. So there you go. Here's the machine, and so brand new machine. Beautiful case, you know. It's so beautiful case. You can put everything here. So I'm gonna put this bag away for now. This is the machine that they have, 3-year warranty on it, and yeah, there you go. So here's the connection for your pipe. You see your like a conductor or something, and then it will connect in here, and then that one, bang, that's it. Then you have to put water here and then put it in here. So it's so easy to use. Okay, so again, they have here the like a small filter, which is it was in the bag here, and I got lots of filters here. So again, I will save this because I need to replace the I don't need to open it, but because it's sealed right now, so I'll just keep this one in. So the inside of the bag is this one, this white one, and it will be connected here, and then just put it in this way, and then bang, that's it. And again, now it's running, and I know if you can hear that sound there, there's a air coming out. So, and all you have to do is to put in the mask, and then you do the breathing. There you go. That's all you have to do on this machine. So basically, guys, that's easy. And again, you have to sleep with this, and again, you're just like an elephant when you go for sleep, because it's kind of hard for the first time to use this one, and again, it's so uncomfortable for the first night, and the second night was a little bit okay until such time that I was using this for about a week. So, and again, according to my wife, I don't snore a lot, and then I sleep a lot now. So that's one thing that the advantage of this machine. So again, there is a lot of benefit on this machine if you're using CPAP, and I know it's a little bit expensive, but you will see the result of the CPAP when you are continuously using this machine every night, and when you go sleep. And again, to maintain this pipe, all you have to do is to clean once a week, every day. When you take this one out, you can clean this one with they have some wipes. So I have the wipes already, and then I have those rod to clean the pipe. So that's all you have to do is to clean this one every day, every week. And then of course the reservoir, which the water is, you have to clean this one every day. So again, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope we'll see you again next time. It's NoyTebs here.